Want to upload photos to the DeepSeek AI app? Whether you're capturing a new image or selecting one from your gallery, we'll walk you through the process step by step. Start by opening the DeepSeek AI app on your iPhone or Android device. Ensure that you're logged into your DeepSeek account. Once inside, the interface resembles AI assistants like ChatGPT or Google Gemini. To upload a photo, tap the plus icon on the right side of the screen. A menu with 3 options will appear below the search bar. You can either take a new photo using your camera, select an existing image from your photo gallery by choosing the Image OCR option, or a similar label. If you're uploading from your gallery, browse your photos and select the one you want. Tap Add, and your image will start uploading in the app. You've successfully uploaded a photo to DeepSeek AI. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more easy tech tutorials. See you in the next one.